Alright guys, congratulations, you are now a registered Apple developer. How does it feel? You are part of a pretty exclusive club. So for now, since we are part of this awesome club, let's go to the first development center, the iOS link. Click that right there. And as a special member, it gives you this little section where you can download all the cool tools that you need, all the software, including this really fancy text editor, which is great for developing iOS apps. Now, for most of you guys, before we get started, I want to mention this. What's going to happen is we're eventually going to download Xcode. I'm going to talk you guys through that, show you exactly how to do it. We're going to install it, and we're going to start building these apps, these really awesome apps. Now, whenever we want to test it, we're going to go ahead and click, it's like build, and then it pops up on a little simulator, and we can, play around with the interface and whole bunch of stuff. Now, before I get into all that, the reason that I talked to you guys through that little process real quick is because we also have another optional step that we can take. You can also choose right now to join the iOS developer program. Wait a minute, Bucky. I just registered as an iOS developer, and now you're telling me I can enroll in this other developer program? What the heck is this thing? Well, if you ever want to actually sell apps in the App Store, then you need to join this program, and it also has one other benefit as well. Again, like I said, whenever we're just learning how to develop apps, I'm going to show you guys how to launch something called the simulator, and it's just this kind of virtual phone that pops up on your computer, and you can kind of see what your app is going to look like in real life by looking at this little virtual device, kind of like this looks like right now. However, if you ever want to test your app on an actual device that you can hold in your hand, then you also need to be part of the developer program. So again, if you want to watch these tutorials and follow along with it, just learning everything, then it's fine. You don't need to do this. But the two benefits of this program are, one, you can test your apps on a physical device, and two, eventually whenever you decide that you want to sell something in the App Store, then you need to be part of this program. So if you don't want to be part of it, then just go to the next video. But for those who do, I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So click on this link, join the iOS developer program, and this is $99 a year. So I'm just going to go ahead and enroll now, since eventually I want to be selling apps. And also I'm going to show you guys in a couple of tutorials how to test on a physical device. Well, this says, okay, get everything you need, just going to continue. And alright, we already have an existing Apple ID, so I'm going to go ahead and continue right there. Are you enrolling as an individual or a business is essentially what it's saying. So I'm just going to go ahead and click individual. And now all of your contact information, and I'm going to type this, but I'm not going to show you because, well, I don't trust you guys. So just to explain real quick, it's just pretty much your mailing address, your credit card information. And again, it's $99 a year, so you have to pay for it. And it's, just all that good stuff like you're buying anything online. Alright, so after you filled out your address, it says, okay, what program are you trying to buy? Well, I'm just trying to buy this one, the iOS developer program. And of course, it says whenever you want to distribute your apps on the App Store, and also the stuff, they're called like certificates to test on a physical device, you can get that. So, alright, that looks good. That's the one I'm looking for. Continue. And now here is my billing information, which I'm not going to show you guys. Nice try, sucker. I'm just going to hit continue. Looks good. You can verify that. And alright, do you agree to all this stuff? Hold on, let me just agree. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, that was interesting. Okay, okay. Yep. I definitely read all that, and I'm just going to agree. OMG, can I just get this thing already? Complete your purchase, buy now. And you know what? Why don't you make us sign in one more time? Jeez Louise. Alright, so we now can choose our payment option, and oh, that's pretty nice. They put that PayPal option right there, but they don't even let you click it. Why would they even put it on there? And then they're like, oh, you can also pay with PayPal. JK, sucker, you can't. So, whoever is making this website, just hide that thing because it's annoying me. But you can choose to either make monthly payments or just pay with a debit card. I'm just gonna pay with my credit card, and then I'm gonna pause the video, and then after I fill this out, I'll show you guys what to do. So once you submit your order, what they're going to do is they're going to send you an email just to verify everything, and it usually comes within a day or two. So it says, okay, thank you. You are now in the iOS developer program. So from this point until 1 year from now, you have all the benefits like being able to sell apps in the App Store and being able to test on physical devices. Pretty cool. But now what we need to do is we need to go and actually learn how to make apps before we can sell any on the App Store. So, well, let's go ahead and do that right now.